Hey guys, today we are in Audi A6 C7 and I'm going to show you how to install this wireless charger that goes into your ashtray front compartment. So the installation is pretty easy. Once it's connected, you need to just place it here. I will need both hands to do that. Okay, and now let's turn on the ignition. Disable all the warnings that are here. LED is on. So I believe right now when I place my phone over here, it should start charging. That's right. And you still have a USB port for your additional charging needs, for your dashcam or other equipment, so you can still use a traditional USB charger. Okay, in the description below this video you will find link to AliExpress if you want to buy one of those devices, and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple review and tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.